When it comes to streaming and travel, Crunchyroll and Skyscanner serve very different purposes. Let us break down how they stack up against each other. First off, Crunchyroll specializes in anime and Asian dramas, offering a vast library of content for fans, while Skyscanner is all about finding the best deals on flights, hotels, and car rentals. Secondly, Crunchyroll operates on a subscription model, giving users ad-free viewing and exclusive content, whereas Skyscanner is free to use, making money through affiliate partnerships with travel providers. Lastly, Crunchyroll focuses on community engagement with forums and fan events, while Skyscanner emphasizes user-friendly search tools and price alerts to help travelers snag the best deals. In conclusion, whether you're looking to binge-watch your favorite anime or plan your next getaway, both services excel in their respective areas, catering to very different audiences.